Cracked concrete can be one of the most frustrating problems for any homeowner or DIY enthusiast. Whether it's a driveway, patio, sidewalk, or foundation, ignoring these cracks can lead to bigger issues down the line. Choosing the right concrete crack filler is key, not just for durability, but also for flexibility, ease of application, and long-lasting protection against water, weather, and shifting surfaces. In this video, we'll cover the 7 best concrete crack fillers for 2025, breaking down their key features and practical uses so you can make an informed choice. Check the description below for links to all the products mentioned. Number 7. Sashco 16210 Slab Concrete Crack Repair Sealant. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option that's simple to apply, the Sashco 16210 Slab Concrete Crack Repair Sealant is an excellent choice. Designed for small to medium residential projects, this versatile filler works best on horizontal cracks like those found in driveways, patios, and sidewalks. Its user-friendly formula makes it a great pick for homeowners who want a durable repair without the hassle of mixing powders or complicated tools. One of the standout features of Sashco 16210 is its impressive coverage, filling up to 25 linear feet of 1/4 inch wide cracks with just one tube. The sealant is highly elastic, stretching up to 300% to accommodate normal concrete movement without cracking or separating over time. It's also fully weatherproof and UV-resistant, making it suitable for outdoor use in all seasons. Once cured, it can be painted to match the surrounding surface, and because it's water-based with a low odor, application is straightforward and comfortable for indoor or outdoor projects. The only limitation is that it's not designed for structural cracks or deep foundation repairs, so larger or load-bearing issues will require a more robust solution. Overall, Sashco 16210 offers an affordable, reliable, and flexible option for homeowners tackling everyday concrete cracks. Number 6. DAP 37584 Liquid Cement Crack Filler. For homeowners and DIY enthusiasts looking for a quick and efficient solution, the DAP 37584 Liquid Cement Crack Filler offers a hassle-free way to repair thin concrete cracks. Its liquid cement formula is perfect for filling small cracks without the need for mixing powders or using complex tools, making it an ideal choice for those who want fast results with minimal effort. One of the key advantages of this filler is its self-leveling formula, which flows smoothly into cracks for a clean, even finish. It adheres well to both vertical and horizontal surfaces, providing versatility for sidewalks, driveways, garage floors, and patios. Depending on the crack depth and temperature, the filler sets in just 30 minutes to an hour, allowing you to complete repairs quickly. Once fully cured, it is paintable and water-resistant, ensuring a long-lasting repair that blends well with surrounding concrete. The main limitation is that it isn't flexible enough for cracks that experience significant movement or shifting, such as those in active foundation walls. Overall, it's an efficient, easy-to-use, and reliable solution for everyday thin concrete cracks. Number 5. Bluestar Flexible Concrete Crack Filler. For cracks that are prone to movement, the Bluestar Flexible Concrete Crack Filler offers a reliable and durable solution. This mid-range sealant is specially formulated to handle active cracks that may expand or contract due to temperature changes, seasonal shifts, or normal concrete settling. Its flexibility and ease of use make it an excellent choice for exterior surfaces where traditional rigid fillers might fail over time. The standout feature of this filler is its elastomeric formula, which stretches up to 400%, allowing it to maintain a strong seal even as cracks shift. It's fully weatherproof and resistant to freeze-thaw cycles, ensuring long-lasting performance in a variety of climates. Application is simple with a standard caulk gun, making it manageable for DIYers and professionals alike. Once applied, the filler is both paintable and water-resistant, allowing it to blend seamlessly with surrounding concrete. The only minor drawback is that drying times can be slightly longer in colder conditions, requiring patience for optimal results. Overall, this filler combines flexibility, durability, and ease of application, making it a dependable solution for active cracks and outdoor concrete surfaces. Number 4. Red Devil 644 Pre-Mixed Concrete Patch. For homeowners and DIYers looking for a quick, no-fuss solution, the Red Devil 644 Pre-Mixed Concrete Patch offers a convenient and reliable way to repair small to medium concrete cracks. This mid-range filler is perfect for both interior and exterior projects, making it a versatile option for sidewalks, patios, steps, and even minor foundation cracks. Its ready-to-use paste formula eliminates the need for mixing, allowing repairs to start immediately without any complicated preparation. One of the key benefits of this patch is its quick-setting formula. It sets in just 30 to 60 minutes and fully cures within 24 hours, so you can resume light use of the repaired area quickly. The paste can be easily troweled or smoothed with a putty knife to create a clean, professional-looking finish. It's paintable once cured, allowing the repair to blend seamlessly with surrounding concrete. The only minor limitation is that it isn't designed for structural reinforcement or very wide cracks. Overall, the Red Devil 644 pre-mixed concrete patch combines ease of use, quick curing, and reliable performance, making it a go-to choice for everyday concrete repairs. Number 3. RadonSeal Concrete Foundation Crack Repair Kit. For serious foundation repairs, the RadonSeal Concrete Foundation Crack Repair Kit offers a professional-grade solution designed to address structural cracks effectively. This kit is specially formulated to seal against water, radon, and other soil gases, making it an excellent choice for homeowners who want to protect their basements and foundations from moisture damage and potential health hazards. A standout feature of this kit is the inclusion of injection ports, which allow the epoxy to penetrate deep into the crack for a complete and thorough repair. The formula is compatible with both wet and dry surfaces, giving flexibility during application. Depending on crack depth and temperature, it typically cures within 12 to 24 hours, forming a durable seal that resists soil movement and pressure. The only minor drawback is that it requires careful preparation and injection, so it isn't as simple to use as squeeze bottle or caulk-style fillers. However, for homeowners addressing serious structural issues, this kit offers professional-grade performance, reliable adhesion, and a long-lasting solution for foundation cracks. Number 2. Sikaflex Self-Leveling Sealant. For larger horizontal cracks and expansive surfaces, the Sikaflex Self-Leveling Sealant offers a high-performance solution that combines durability, flexibility, and ease of application. This premium mid-range sealant is ideal for homeowners and divers who want a professional-looking repair on driveways, patios, pool decks, and other wide concrete areas. Its self-leveling formula ensures a smooth, even finish without the need for extensive smoothing or troweling. The key advantage of Sikaflex is its ability to flow easily into cracks, filling them completely for a seamless appearance. Its flexible polyurethane formula provides up to 300% elongation, allowing it to accommodate concrete movement without cracking or separating over time. Depending on temperature and crack thickness, it cures within 24 to 48 hours. The only minor limitation is that it is not recommended for vertical cracks. Using it on walls or other vertical surfaces may result in sagging or uneven filling. Overall, Sikaflex Self-Leveling Sealant offers a reliable, long-lasting solution for horizontal concrete cracks, combining flexibility, strong adhesion, and professional quality results. Number 1. Abatron Aboweld 55:1 2-part Structural Epoxy Paste. For serious structural repairs, the Abatron Aboweld 55:1 2-part Structural Epoxy Paste represents the top-tier choice. Designed for heavy-duty foundation cracks and other structural concrete issues, this professional-grade epoxy paste delivers maximum strength and long-lasting durability. It's the ideal solution for homeowners, contractors, and industrial applications where reliability and performance are critical. The standout feature of Aboweld 55:1 is its 2-part epoxy formula, which ensures superior adhesion and structural integrity. It can fill deep cracks and voids up to several inches, making it suitable for load-bearing walls, industrial floors, and major foundation repairs. The epoxy typically cures in 8 to 12 hours depending on temperature, after which it can be drilled, sanded, or painted, providing a seamless finish that blends with surrounding surfaces. The main drawbacks are its higher price and the careful handling required, so it is not suitable for quick cosmetic fixes or small household cracks. Overall, Abatron Aboweld 55:1 offers a professional-grade, reliable, and high-strength solution for serious concrete and foundation repairs. That wraps up our list of the 7 best concrete crack fillers for 2025. Which concrete crack filler fits your project best? Comment below and share your plans. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the description links for all the products we covered.